Hello guys, hi from Boldsky. This is Ankita. We are in front of Bangalore Central Mall and I have a bunch of school kids over here. I have a bunch of other people and we would try to know that whether they use Facebook or not. Are they aware of the Facebook personal data breach? Will they use hello? So let's get back to them. Hello, so everybody, hi, all school students. And what do you do, ma'am?
I'm working.
Okay. All of you use Facebook?
Yeah.
I use it quite a lot.
Yeah, frequently.
So how many hours a day?
Like almost.
Most probably the whole day. Most probably the whole day.
No, I don't use. I don't use any social media.
Maybe 4 hours.
In a day, almost 100 times I can open and swipe it up and scroll.
In a whole day.
I'm a really nice, cool youth, but I don't use social media.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
So really nice cool youth does not use social media. So Zuckerberg, are you watching? So do you have any knowledge about the Facebook personal data breach?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. No, I just didn't have any idea. Yeah, I have also gone through this. See some quiz welcome. Okay, in that they will ask you some questions. Some quiz they'll put like when you will die. Then some of your friends have started posting just see, and they can use that data. No, not like a definite opinion about it.
I don't know whether my data will be of any use for them.
No.
Just know that Mark Zuckerberg came and he was talking to the whole of the US these senators yesterday, and then he was basically apologizing for all his mistakes that he has done. And
So how do you think it will be serious to India?
It can be like if we go see the scenario, like we don't expect Rahul Gandhi to win.
We know that they use it for the Indian politics, for voting and all. I am pretty much aware of it because sometimes when I do a Google search about some particular product, the next thing I know on Facebook it is there giving me 101 suggestions about it.
We are losing our personal life, right? And it's at risk. It's very creepy, like someone's constantly stalking you, probably.
I honestly never felt threatened in a way that I'm too concerned. Maybe I need to know seriously what kind of data are they taking.
I don't know anything about it.
Short, I will say that they actually helped Trump win the elections.
In the end, whether it's business or any violence, terrorism, even for elections, these information about yourself can be manipulated and used for other people's benefits.
Will you delete Facebook in this regard?
No.
It's not that we'll keep using, we've already reduced using it. Might be we'll stop using it one day.
They need to make revenue some way or the other, right? We're getting it for free, and they have a lot of security. They need to provide a lot of stuff for us, and certain amount of money needs to be given.
So do you think that if given an alternative, we will leave Facebook and switch to other things?
I don't think so. Not that we don't want to switch, but if it's better than Facebook, yeah, why not?
Okay, thank you guys.
Bye.
Phew, yeah, so we are done with a lot of people over here. So in front of the Bangalore Central Mall, we talked to a lot of people, right from school kids to office goers to even people who are homemakers and everybody, and also people who actually don't use Facebook but seemed really concerned about the fact that Facebook is selling out their data, and they think that okay, if they do get an alternative, they might get inclined towards that. That's what we have come to know from today's session. So we will keep updating you regarding this. A lot of things have to come your way through Boldsky. But as of now, bye-bye from my side.